Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to combine and merge PDF files into one. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have multiple different PDFs, and I want to merge them into one file. Open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to use Chrome. Now you want to go and search for I love PDF like so and come to ilovepdf.com. Here you want to go and find the option Merge PDF and you can press Select PDF Files. Now you can go and find the ones you want to do this with, and you need to go and select them and press Open. Here they are. Hold Ctrl and select the PDF if you want to do this with, and then you can press Open. Here you can go into the order of them, click Hold and drag them to change that. Then you can press Merge in the bottom right and press Download Merge PDF. We've gone and merged them.